Now, if you're using a Steam Deck and you browse through the Steam store for some first-person shooters, there's a lot to choose from. And I've had a chance to play most of the top-rated first-person shooters on the deck, and I found a couple to be top tier above the rest. Now, those two games are going to be RoboCop and Doom Eternal. Both of these games look amazing visually and can be played for hours at a time. Just make sure your deck is juiced up before you start playing. However, these are paid first-person shooters. In my opinion, they're 100% worth the price. They both range from $30 to $40 at the moment, but there's always sales going on in the Steam store, so you could always check back. But next, I'd like to put in some gameplay on each one for around 5 to 6 minutes so you guys can see just how good these games are. You know, RoboCop is very impressive since you're viewing everything from his perspective when you're playing it. And if you're a fan of RoboCop, you know, the movies, you're absolutely going to love this game. Of course, as I'm getting into these gameplays, I'd also like to point out that you guys can get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on updates on only the good stuff by checking out some links below in the description. Don't forget to tap that like, and let's run it.
Embers!
Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.
Darling, could you get the napkins from the cupboard? Sure thing, Mom. What are we having? It's a surprise. Little man, have you washed your hands? Do I really have to? I wasn't playing in the dirt. Alice, what do you think about the color of this dress? I'm not sure if I like the pattern. James really looks up to you. He said in school that he wants to be a police officer just like his dad.
We cannot let him pass! It's your fault! Moves, cop! I'm not dying here! Get me another one of those choppers, like the one that took Soot! You hear me?
You work so hard, honey. Why don't you take some leave? We all could use a little break from this reality, don't you think?
Wakey, wakey! I'm talking to you, Shiny! Stand back from that door, or I'll shoot her! I swear to nuke!
I don't know what I would do if I...